how you can easily log into your SoundCloud account. For that, you first need to open your web browser and then search for SoundCloud login. And here you will see the official website of SoundCloud. You can just open it. And from here you get two options, sign in, or you can just go to this link that will directly take you to the login portal. So once you do this, here you have different options to sign in. So you can continue with your Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID. I already have my Google account connected, so I'm just going to choose Google. And I have set a two-factor authentication on SoundCloud, so I'm just going to check my authenticator app right here and enter the code. So I'm just going to open my authenticator app on my phone and then enter the code right here. Now if I enter, as you can see, I can easily log into my account. So here I'm logged into my account. And that's how you can easily log into your SoundCloud account. I hope this video was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.